Hi, welcome to my all viewers. Let us study about the classification of organic compound. In last class, we detail describe about the organic compound. आमे last class रे organic compound detailly describe करथिलु. Organic compound means what? Hydrocarbon and their derivative. Hydrocarbon and their derivatives are called organic compound. What is the classification of organic compound? As organic compounds are the huge in numbers, so we have to need to classify. So when we goes to classification, we based on a particular criteria. I mean, a particular criteria नहीं ताको कौन करता हो ना classified करता हो. So the according to the carbon skeleton present in compound, the organic compound are two types. Mean organic compound classified into two types. Organic compound classified into two types. One is open chain or acyclic or aliphatic. Second one is closed chain or cyclic. Then what is the meaning of open chain? What is the meaning of open chain? What is the meaning of open chain? Open means the first carbon and the last carbon do not connect with each other. Their first carbon or last carbon of a compound do not connect with each other. सेमाने परस्पर को connect करने थिबे. कने हमें suppose इट उडे सर्कल टा भाईला कि उडे वेयर टे नेले पुणी आनी के connect कर देले, that is called closed. Either in circular path or in this like this, these are the closed. But if these are the open. If you this is also open. First point and last point do not connect with each other. That is the open. Like that, if the carbon compound means the hydrocarbon and their derivative means organic compound, the first carbon and last carbon do not connect with each other. That is called open chain or acyclic or aliphatic. Open chain means the carbon compound or organic compound in which first carbon and last carbon do not connect with each other. The first carbon and last carbon do not connect with each other. That is called open chain or acyclic or aliphatic. For example, suppose CH3, CH2, CH3. This is the first carbon and last carbon. They are not connected with each other. That's why it is called open chain. For example, CH3, CH3, H, CH3. These are the open chain or aliphatic. Suppose CH3, CH2, OH. That is also aliphatic or open chain or acyclic, because the first carbon and last carbon do not connect with each other. फास्ट कार्बन और लास्ट कार्बन से परस्पर को कौन कनेक्ट करछन कि जदि आमे गुडा कहू फर्स्ट पॉइंट लास्ट पॉइंट जदि कनेक्ट हेनी दैट इज ओपन चेन फर्स्ट पॉइंट लास्ट पॉइंट कनेक्ट विथ ईच अदर दैट इज कॉल्ड क्लोज्ड like that closed chain. What do you mean by closed chain? Mean first carbon and last carbon are connect with each other, that is called closed chain. So before going to closed chain we again classified of the open chain. Open chain again classified into two types. One is saturated যেটা আমি পৃক্ত বলে কହୁଛୁ পৃক্ত হাইড্রোকার্বন এবং আনস্যাচুরেটেড অপৃক্ত হাইড্রোকার্বন unsaturated. One is saturated, another one is unsaturated hydrocarbon. What do you mean by saturated? Saturated means if there is a single bond only present in between carbon and carbon. Carbon भितरे जदि केवल single bond थिबो mean only sigma bond. There is no chance of pi bond. Only sigma bond present in between carbon and carbon. Only sigma bond mean only single bond present, that is called saturated. The organic compound in which only single bond present in between carbon and carbon are called what are called saturated or alkane or paraffin. For example, CH3, CH2, CH3. Only single bond present in between carbon and carbon. CH3, C, CH3, H, CH, CH3, CH3. That is also a saturated hydrocarbon or saturated organic compound, because there is only single bond, mean only sigma bond present in between carbon and carbon. Okay. Then we go to unsaturated hydrocarbon. What do you mean by unsaturated hydrocarbon? Just opposite to the saturated. Saturated, that is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon means if there is a pi bond, there is a one or two or more than two pi bond present along or in the carbon chain or in the carbon skeleton. Suppose a compound C, here is C and here is a double bond, or here is also a double bond. If one or more than one pi bond present inside the carbon skeleton, then that is called unsaturated hydrocarbon or unsaturated organic compound. That is unsaturated means the organic compound in which one or more than one pi bond present in the skeleton of compound are called what? Unsaturated organic compound. Unsaturated organic compound. Organic compound. That is called unsaturated organic compound. For example, suppose CH3 double bond CH2 double bond CH2 or CH3 C triple bond CH. Just like that. If one, or suppose in example CH3 C double bond CH double bond C single bond C triple bond CH, like that. Here is 1 and 2, 3 pi bonds are present. If one or more than one pi bond present in the skeleton of compound, that is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. So unsaturated again divided into two types. Unsaturated again divided into two types. If double bond presents, that is called alkene. If double bond present, that is called alkene. If triple bond present, that is called alkyne. Alkene means due to the presence of double bond. Double bond. Alkyne means due to the presence of triple bond. Suppose this is alkene, this is alkyne. In this, both alkene and alkyne are present. Okay, so open chain. You are clear about the open chain. Open chain means the first and the last carbon do not connect with each other. That is called open chain or aliphatic. Open chain divided into two types. One is saturated, another one is unsaturated. Saturated means if only single bond present. जदि कार्बन कार्बन भितर केवल सिंगल बॉन्ड रोची तबे ताको हम कोन कहउछु saturated. If there is a double bond or triple bond or present pi bond inside the skeleton of carbon, that is called what? Unsaturated. Unsaturated again divided into two types. One is alkene, another one is alkyne. Then we go to closed chain or cyclic or closed chain organic cyclic organic compound. If 3 or more than 3 or more than 3 carbon are closely packed means first carbon and last carbon connect with each other. That is called what? Cyclic organic compound. Then cyclic organic compound again divided into two types. Cyclic organic compound again divided into two types. One is homocyclic, two is heterocyclic. One is homocyclic, another one is heterocyclic. Homocyclic means only carbons are present in the organic compound, but in the cyclic organic compound, that is called homocyclic. Homo mean equal mean all atoms are equal. Main atoms are the carbon, so all the carbon atom present in the cyclic compound. Suppose there are 3 carbon connect with each other to make the cyclic. Only the 3 carbon. All the compounds are the compound contain all the carbon atoms only in the closed chain. That is called cyclic. Suppose like that is also homocyclic. But heterocyclic means if any other atom except carbon, यदि कार्बन को छाड़ी की आउ किसी एटम से 1 atom हो पारे और 2 atom हो पारे present in the parent chain, that is called what? That is called heterocyclic. Just like suppose here is carbon, here is carbon, here is oxygen, and they will make a closed chain. That is heterocyclic. That is heterocyclic. Suppose here is carbon, here is carbon, here is carbon, here is N, H. Here is carbon, here is carbon. That is heterocyclic. Okay. That is heterocyclic. Then homocyclic means only carbon are present in skeleton of compound or parent chain. That is called a homocyclic. Heterocyclic means if any other atom like oxygen, nitrogen, except carbon are present in parent chain. Parent chain are called heterocyclic. Okay, then the nomenclature of the compound will discuss on the next class. So that is homocyclic and another one is heterocyclic. Clear? Homocyclic means only carbons are present. Heterocyclic means the any other atom present in the skeleton of parent chain. Then homocyclic again divided into 2 types. One is alicyclic, another one is aromatic. One is alicyclic, another one is aromatic. Alicyclic means there is same as the aliphatic. The characters are same as the aliphatic. The character of the homocyclic compound are same as the aliphatic. They are only closed, but their character are same. Their character, aliphatic character, these are the same. They do not have alternative bond or endoplanar in structure. There is no condition required. किसी condition required नहीं, but aromatic by condition required अच्छी. They should have planar. So when one planar, they should have planar. The delocalization of pi bond. There should be delocalization of pi bond. There should obey Huckel's rule. Then that is the aromatic. But in alicyclic, there is no need of any condition. ताकि किसी condition नहीं, only they close to each other, and their the characters are or the properties are similar with the aliphatic hydrocarbon. In the homocyclic compound whose properties or characters are similar with this character are similar with the aliphatic compound. These are closed chain, but character are same with the aliphatic or open chain. Aliphatic compound means suppose cyclopropane or cyclobutane or cyclopentane. These are the closed chain, but its character are equal to the aliphatic. So it again divided into 3 types. Is their character, then it again divided into three types mean alicyclic again divided into three types. One is cycloalkane mean only single bond present, just like the cyclopropane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane, only single bond present. Then cyclohexene mean if any double bond present inside the cyclic chain, suppose cyclopropene, suppose cyclopentane, that is cyclopropene, this is cyclopentene, just like that. Like that cyclohexyl, sorry, cycloalkene, cycloalkyne, cycloalkyne means suppose that is cyclobutane. These are the mean alicyclic again divided into three parts. One is cycloalkane, cycloalkene, cycloalkyne. Then aromatic compound means the organic compound or the homocyclic compound, the homocyclic compound which have planar in structure, second one delocalization of pi bond, third one is obey Huckel's rule. Are called what? Aromatic compounds. That may be again divided into benzoate, non-benzoate. Some of the special hero of the aromatic compound is benzene related compound. Benzene and their derivative of benzene. And some of those like the furan, pyrrole, that is also non-benzoate aromatic compound. But the mainly benzoate means benzene. So again we recapitulate the total classification. हमें आउ थे रिकॉल कर दूँ केवल टोटाल क्लासिफिकेशन टाकू मीन्स ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड डिवाइडेड इनटू टू ओपन चेन और एलिफेटिक और एसाइक्लिक क्लोज्ड चेन. Open chain divided into two. One is saturated, another one is unsaturated. Say unsaturated again divided into two. One is alkene, another one is alkyne. Closed chain divided into two. One is homocyclic, closed or cyclic, heterocyclic, homocyclic again divided into alicyclic, aromatic, benzoate, non-benzoate. Benzoate, non-benzoate. Okay, these are the diagram of the classification of organic compound according to their structure या skeleton. Okay, these organic compound are classified under these categories. ଯଦି आ भितर कहार किसी भी अबुझा थाए then you can ask through the comments. Okay, next, according to the connectivity of carbon, means the organic compound can classified as primary, is most important, primary organic compound. Second one is secondary, third one is tertiary, fourth one is quaternary. Mean 1 degree, mean 2 degree, mean 3 degree, mean 4 degree. Means this classified according to the connection of carbon to the other carbon. The number of other carbon connect to a specified carbon. गोटे कार्बन आउ जतरा कार्बन को कनेक्ट करूची, that is called the degree. That is called the degree of organic compound. Degree of organic compound. Degree of organic compound means the number of carbon atom. The number of carbon atom connect to a specified carbon atom, to a specified carbon atom. If a carbon atom connect to only one other carbon atom, that is called primary. Mean one carbon atom, a carbon atom connect to other one carbon atom, that is called primary. Okay, so primary means when a carbon atom connect to other one carbon atom. Suppose C, here is C, here is C, here is also C. Means CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, 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 CH3. You see that this carbon connect to how many carbon? ये आप कितना कार्बन को डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करूची? The number of carbon directly connect to the other atom. Means this carbon connect to only this carbon. So as it contain only one carbon atom, that is called 1 degree or primary. In this carbon you will notice that because this carbon कितना carbon को connect करची? This carbon and this carbon. As it connect to 2 carbon, so this is 2 degree or secondary. You look this carbon. How many carbon connect to this carbon? This carbon connect to this. This carbon also connect to this carbon. This carbon also connect to this carbon. So there are 3 carbon atom directly connect to that carbon. So that is 3 degree. 3 degree or tertiary. Here is this carbon connect to how many carbon? This carbon, this carbon, this carbon and this carbon. So it is 4 degree. Suppose in CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, Cl. This carbon connect to how many carbon directly? Only one carbon, so 1 degree. This carbon connect to how many? 1, 2, 3, so 3 degree. This carbon connect to 1 and 2, this is not carbon, so it is 2 degree. So primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary. If connect to only one, that is primary. If a carbon directly connect to 2 other carbon atoms, that is secondary. Directly connect to 3 other carbon atoms, that is 3 degree of tertiary. Connect to 4 other carbon atoms, that is quaternary or 4 degree. Okay, then question arises, if a carbon do not connect to other carbon atom, যদি ଗୋଟେ কার্বন ଆଉ কোনସି কার্বন को कनेक्ट करूनी सिना गोटे को कनेक्ट कले 1 डिग्री तो दुईटा को कनेक्ट कले 2 डिग्री तीनटा को कनेक्ट कले 3 डिग्री चारटा कनेक्ट कले 4 डिग्री যদি ଗୋଟେ कनेक्ट करूनी सपोज CH3 O CH3 and ether, this carbon connect to, do not connect to any other atom. Suppose H COO H, this carbon do not connect to other carbon. Suppose H CHO, this carbon do not connect to other. This is called 0 degree or special primary. Special primary or 0 degree. Okay. In some cases that the only primary and a secondary, primary or a quaternary. Suppose this carbon, these are the 4 carbon are the primary and these are the quaternary, only primary and quaternary. Okay, then on the next class we read about the functional group and nomenclature, most important part today to this. Okay, thank you.